부담스러운 상대역이네.
아 잠깐 내가 작업 멘트를 하는데 얘가 나한테
입이 빠졌어 너한테.
Hi, this is BlackPink. Today we are going to try a charm battle.
We're going to give each other cute compliments and then be scored on our delivery.
It's gotta be me. It's gotta be me.
It's gotta be you. I already know it's
gotta
gonna
be me.
Honey, do you play soccer?
No.
Because you're a keeper.
The way I know Jenny, she can be way more seductive than that. So I give that a 5. A 5.
5? That's good. 근데 당당하게 했어가지고 I'll give you 8.5. Thank you.
I must be in a museum
Why?
because you are a work of art.
She's good at this.
I give that like a 40.
40?
Yeah.
Out of 10? 언니 나 41.
진짜
뭐야?
81점.
너무 높은 거 아니야?
괜찮아 언니.
오케이.
앞으로.
I saw a flower this morning and thought it was the most precious thing ever until I met you.
That like a 70.
다음에 딴 거 해볼게.
Can I do this to Rosie?
Yeah.
Are you Netflix? Because I could watch it for hours.
Oh. That was pretty good. I would give that a 50.
Thank you.
저 좋았는데.
오.
저 80.
Thank you. Guys, it's too nice.
야래, 야.
She's so ready. Look. Yeah.
Jenny,
Yeah.
you know,
What?
you're my favorite weakness.
Oh, I'm your favorite weakness? What's with the smell? 이것 때문에 약간
이것 때문에 약간 아니 이렇게 아니야 no.
깎고 싶어.
I'll give both of you guys 20 more points for
Yay!
the effort.
Hey girl, if you were a cucumber, you'd be a cute cumber.
Oh! What? I don't get that. No.
Oh shit! 잘못 말했다. Okay, again, I'll go one more time.
Okay, yeah.
My bad.
근데 처음에 약간 나 놀랐어. 그러니까 cucumber. Why is cucumber?
들어.
Bro.
제 점수는요?
Since you said cucumber and then cucumber, that didn't make sense. I'll give you a 9.5.
저는 20점?
근데 what is this out of? Like 100?
난 내 거 기준으로.
Okay.
If you were a song, you'll be the best track on the album.
리사 싸늘하다.
뭐야, 평소보다 너무 덜 느끼해.
얘가 평소에 너무 느끼했어갖고 이게 지금 적은 거야.
맞아. I give you
내가
a
알던
6.
너가 아니야. Who are you?
I'm Lisa.
난 솔직히 마이너스
언니,
주고 싶어.
I gave you 8.5, but you just gave me 6.
너 6점 줬어? 4점 줄게. 다음에 보여줘.
Are you an electrician? Because you're definitely lighting up my sky.
아, 너무 볼륨이
부끄러워.
작아. 너
점점 작아져요.
뭐해? 볼륨이 너무 작아요.
페이드 아웃 됐어. 난 페이드 업이 좋아.
생각보다 어렵다니까요.
볼륨이 낮아진 만큼 점수도 낮아졌어.
그럼 5.5요.
그러면 뭐.
이 정도면 뭐.
4.5.
너가 이번에 잘하면 진짜 100점 줄게.
우와.
Are you the moon?
좋아.
아, 좋아. 연결해서 해줘, 앞에 거랑.
Are you the moon? Because even when it's dark, you still seem to shine.
이거 뭐. 나는 한 40점 줄게 그래도.
진짜? 앞에만 생각하면 한 45.
If I were a cat, I'd spend all 9 of my lives with you.
오!
I like this one. 볼륨이 너무 작아요.
왜 이렇게 페이드 아웃 돼?
ASMR.
이거예요.
When you seduce someone,
You
you have to be like,
whispery one? Whispery one. 이분은 되게 크게 말하시거든, 스트레스할 때도.
Jenny!
80점.
80점이요? 언니 고마워요.
좋았어.
I may not be a genie, but I can make your dream come true.
아, 뭔가 약간 디즈니로 갔네.
I can make your dream come true.
It was cute. That was cute.
일단 30점.
나 3점.
33점이요.
33점. 좋아요. 이거 해줘, 머스타시.
You know? I'm happy.
Thanks for watching us charm each other.
과연 오늘 누가 가장 매력 발산을 잘했는지
코멘트를 통해서 알려주세요.
And please check out BlackPink Light Up the Sky on Netflix. Bye!